We're going to look at some homework questions from section 2.1 on page 80 and page 81. One question I received was on problem number 45, and problem 45 was about how to graph the problem y equals, oops, excuse me, I'm off the screen here. There we go. Y equals negative 3 halves x. Now to graph this problem, it's a little deceiving because sometimes that negative in the middle of the problem doesn't really help you in terms of where the negative should be for slope. Now, if you have the option, always put the negative in the numerator. That way, your rise, which is your numerator, is going to be your up-down motion. So this is going to be going down 3, and your run is going to be going 2. So as a reminder, your slope, which is the fraction, or the whole number, or decimal, or whatever in front of the x value, is going to be your rise over run. And since it is a negative value, it is going to be a drop from this point. But the question is, there's no y-intercept. Do you see how that there is nothing after this? So since there is no y-intercept, the start is 0. And the start is at 0 because it is technically negative 3 halves x plus 0, but we don't write the plus 0. So from there, we're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 2, 1, 2. From this spot, going down 3 and over 2, we can put a dot there and graph the line. Now, the next problem I'm going to look at is problem number 69 on page 81. So to review, this is problem number 45 on page 80, and this is going to be problem 69 on page 81. Now, it asks you on the same set of axes to graph three things. And the first thing it asked you to graph was the equation y equals 2x. So, like the last problem we had, it has no y-intercept because it's technically 2x plus 0. And we will then, from that dot, go up 2 over 1. So let me just make my tick marks here. So from here, I'm going to go up 2 over 1. And that is going to be my line like so. So it has a slope of 2, 2 over 1, for my rise over run, and then my start of 0. Now it asks to do two more lines on the same grid. And the second equation it gave me was y equals 2x minus 3. So it's the same slope, but a different y-intercept. So I'm going to start at negative 3 and go up 2 over 1, just like I did with my last problem. So I'm going up 2 over 1, and there's my second line. And it asks to do a third line. So I'm going to change to a new color here. My third line that they gave for problem number 69 is y equals, let's see here, y is equal to 2x plus 3, and 1, 2, 3 is right there. So I'm going to go up 2 over 1 because this is the same slope. Alrighty. And then the last question it asks from problem number 69, it says, describe the pattern relating to each line to the number that is added to 2x. So the number that is added to 2x, whether it's 0, negative 3, or 3, is the y-intercept, and it's the shift of the line. You'll notice all three of these lines are parallel to each other, and they have that space or gap between the two of them that's 3 away from 0, either positively or negatively. Thanks for watching.